to quickly introduce herself since it's your first time on this channel. And then also, Brad, introduce yourself and tell us what Goose is.
Yes, I'll go first. I'm Ebony Lewis, developer advocate at Block, and I'm super excited to hear about Goose 1.0. I'll let you take it over, Brad.
Yeah, I'm also an engineer here at Block, and I've been working on this project for a while now. And so Goose is a developer agent, and that means that it's currently something you run on the command line. It'll write code, run commands, and help you build software. And the idea being that as the models get better and better, it's going to take on like a larger scope actions and not necessarily be like completing lines of code for you as you're typing them, but really like solving whole problems.
Great description. And I want to just quickly, before we dive into the questions, I always do an icebreaker question, just so like, you know, some live streams be boring. Like I want to like liven it up. So I had 2 questions. One of them was to, well, the audience can answer 2. One of them is like an AI question. So what's like your favorite AI dev tool right now? Of course, we'll say Goose, but what's your second favorite? And then the other question, well, I'll save that for later. So answer this question first.
Brad, I'll let you go first.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So yeah, obviously Goose, got to say that. But you know, the second for me is I do have a lot of fun with Cursor, and I feel like those are different modes. So Cursor is great, and then that's the one where I'm like in the weeds and I'm like writing a lot of code myself, and I just want to like bring some like back and forth into it.
Nice. I feel like for me, I'm still like getting into AI, so Goose is like my number one, my only. I don't really have a second at the moment. So yeah. What about you, Rizal?
I would have to second Cursor. In the past, it's been Copilot because I just know too much about Copilot. But I downloaded Cursor in the month of October, and I'm like really impressed at how good it is. Sometimes I use both Goose and Cursor together, so I'll be like, Goose, can you do this part? And I know that right now sometimes the formatting is a little off with Goose, so I'll be like, Cursor, fix the formatting, and like I don't know, it's really fun for me. All right, so and then my second icebreaker question for y'all. Oh, Angie said, I'm ashamed to say I haven't tried Cursor. Oh, sorry, Ebony, you pressed it at the same time. Yeah, y'all, they gave it to us for free.
You gotta try Cursor,
yeah,
Angie.
And then my other question to y'all, this is less technical, well, very not technical at all. I don't know if you all are up to date on anything, but there's the Jake Paul, Mike Tyson fight. Who you think is winning? Do you think this is a waste? Like, what's y'all's opinion? Also, people in the comments, let me know.
I'm actually really excited for this fight. That's one thing I love watching is fights. And I think Mike Tyson, I know it's hard because they're both so good, but I think Mike Tyson's gonna have it. I'm not gonna bet money on it, but
I'm not up to date on this at all. I'm gonna test you on this one. Yeah.
We'll send you the highlights.
Okay.
Wait, are you like, how out of date are you? Are you like, who's Jake Paul? Who's Mike Tyson?
No. I know the names. I just haven't kept up with any of the stuff that's going on right now.
Okay. I don't know who's gonna win, but I feel
All
like
right, dude.
Jake
I know
Paul
what
should
it is
fight
now.
Mike
I know what it is. I get it now. I get it now. I get it. I think I get it at least. I think I get it. So it's an AI agent it's an AI agent that you run from the command line. But bro, that scares me. Running from the command line? What do you mean, dude? What do you mean? I'm about to get it. I'm about to get into it so I can just like form an actual opinion of what it is. But
that's what I think.
I just want to get through the icebreakers.
All right, yeah, Ebony, I'll let you go ahead and start the first question.
Yes. Okay. So let me remove the comment. All right, Brad, I would love to know like your top 3 things you're excited about the developers can look forward to in Goose 1.0. Just your top 3.
Yeah, for sure. So let me tell you, like, you know, Goose less than 1.0, 0.x. We learned a ton from building this, and I think one of the things that we knew was going to matter, and we saw it matter, was plugins. So like people had new ideas for what Goose can do, and people got in there and made a lot of cool extensions that we never really anticipated coming along. It happened so much that actually we just realized that this wasn't like as easy to use as it should be. So that's like the top thing that I'm excited about in Goose 1.0 is that the original version, you could extend Goose, maybe not even needing to wait for us to like approve it and get it merged into the main repo, but you did have to like reinstall everything whenever you wanted to do a plugin. And doing plugins, the only way you could build them was in Python. So that did slow down a lot of ideas that people had. And so the next version, we're looking to try to figure out a protocol for how like Goose, the agent, can talk to these like plugin systems that people build. And I think we're gonna actually start calling these systems, and that's gonna let people build the system in any language they want. And it should be in a spot where you could be like,
dude, I'm an idiot for not seeing this right at the start though. It says block.github.io. Come on, bro. And it also says GitHub right here, dude. Come on, dude. I'm just slow. I'm just slower than the rest. It's okay. I'm gonna keep going. I'm slower than the rest, but I'll never stop. I'll keep going, dude. This is only year 4. Only year 4, dude. It's only year 4. I'm gonna keep stepping on the gas. I promise, B. I promise, dude. I promise. Let's go ahead and get busy with it. An open source extensible AI agent that goes beyond code suggestions, install, execute, edit, and test with any LLM. Okay, so execute. You got me at execute, fam. You got me at execute. That's the angle. That's the one, dude. That's the one. You have me at execute. If you can execute code,